Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. That is a 10 by 20 inch canvas. This is the shallow container that's a lid from one of these containers. Ha! And I'm going to put paint in there. That came off a Sharpie. I'm not sure what that came off of or that, but they all make good scoops and dips, and I'm going to do something hopefully that I have not done before, in that I want to make a dragon. Where is my little sketch? There's my little tiny sketch right there. It's got a flower stuck to its leg. So I'm going to try and give myself a head and an arched neck and a body and a rear quarter and then a tail. And I'm hoping that that will give a little hand too. The chalk, this is chalk. Chalk will come off fairly easily. Let's see if I like that leg over there. More or less Chinese dragon, and any embellishments that I put on there I'll show you guys. It's not, come on Bobbles, out of the way. It's not a very elaborate dragon, and it doesn't have, like I said, there's no scales, no ears, no horns, no nothing yet, but that's what I'm starting with. So I put that container, and I'm going to give myself all of the color shifting colors I can possibly manage, and all of my favorite colors, which are pretty much one and the same scenario. Because I've got a collection of dragons that are probably made from composite inside the house I've had for a long time. And they're iridescent, and I really, really, really love them a lot. So I'm going to give myself iridescent colors, because I think that's what's going to work for me. At least I hope so. I don't think I should need a whole lot of colors either. Maybe just a little bit of the dioxidine purple. No gold for you. Okay. This is the second time I've used one of these pans today. And I'm almost done. I think I'm going to put a little more gold back, a little more of this green gold back on top. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm willing to try. I'm going to take my little card first. And because it's the furthest away from me, I think I'm just going to go ahead and make my face. With little bits of colors. Oh, I even got a nostril. How cool is that? Ha! Unusual. And a place for an eye. So now I'm just going to go around. I did back drag that, which made it a whole lot. I kind of figure if I use these square cards, I'm going to automatically get something that looks like scales. Every time I put another card down, scoop, scoop. Every time I put another scoop down, although I want to go in the opposite direction from this. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And when I want something to fill in, there's an ear. There's another ear. It might be a horn. When I want something to fill in, I'm going to use the dull end of my skewer. And pull some stuff out. I will obviously have to put an eye in at some future point. And someday I'm going to figure out what I want for background colors. But this is not that. This is a dry run. Just going around the outside edge, figuring I can always go back if I'm quick anyway. And the wider I want that, the more I can just pull it down and fill it in. I'm also kind of figuring, oh, he's a fruit striped dragon. That's funny. There, he's got one of his arms. And I could probably pull that out. I think I'm just going to try and keep myself moving. I can always dip that in. I have a shorter tool, and I think I'm probably going to use it. There's no perfection. I can always dip my skewer in and add a little color if I want to. I can also drag things up through and down through so it looks like scales. I figured that out finally. Grab a little color that I like for the back of an ear. I can even dip my skewer in if I don't flick too much paint around. And I was kind of thinking it might be nice right now to give them a little bit of some feelers just by dipping in. I'm going to make an area where the eye looks. Just going to drag down and up. That actually worked kind of well. I'm not done, but I'm getting done. I hope I can continue. I think just a little bit of a nudge forward will bring those colors into a shape that I like. I think I'm going to go ahead and give myself another arm. Being that it's a dry canvas, it also means that I can wipe off my mistakes. Dragons are often portrayed with, I think, 5 fingers often. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about we give this one 6? Just to be different. 6-finger dragon. Maybe that's what I'll call the video. I'll give him a gold palm. And that chalk will, like I said, wipe off tomorrow. Scales came out pretty good. There's no perfection. So he's kind of cute, actually. As I go, if I want to, if I drag down through the stripes, I'll make something that looks similar to scales, and that's actually working. I'm getting nervous toward the end, though. think it's time to pull out the smaller one. Because it'll be easier to control how much paint. If I have too much, I can just pull it up and around. Best to dab. If you don't want the marks, you best dab. I love the colors. So I'm going to put a dot in and then drag back. I could do the same thing for a knuckle in the... Maybe we'll give him 5 toes instead of 6. The hot rodders are out. Kind of need 6 toes on that one. Didn't give him a wing. I probably could. Maybe next one. I got a little splatter, but not bad for my first try. Certainly a pretty colored dragon. Just like I wanted. And since he's an oriental dragon, he's going to have some oriental things coming off his tail. Alright, so all that's left right now is refinements. I don't know why I didn't do this before. Maybe because I didn't have the shape I wanted yet. Just using the butt end, the blunt end of the skewer to pick up a little ball of paint. And there's my dragon. And I've got 3 minutes left. I can put more colors down anywhere I want. I can thread out more. What do you call those things hanging off the tail anyway? Filaments. Cool. If I fuss with it too much more, I'll be sorry. So I could probably go back through and spatter some more things because I see the spatter from this first try. And I don't know if he needs more of a face than he's got or not. But I guess I'm going to give him one. At least a better mustache. And dragons need horns, generally speaking. At least in my dragon experience. Seems like I got a split front on my skewer. Give my dragon some antlers. If I want him to have more of a jaw, it's time to do that now. That little black spot looks like part of an ear hole. So I just do the same thing on the other side. I like the turquoise. Color shifting from folk art really does a nice job. I suppose I could add a little black dot tomorrow for the other nostril, since there's already one there. Don't really have eyes, but they kind of look like eyes anyway. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Not promising not to tweak a few things, but that's fine for today. And I love you guys. There's 87,000 of you subscribed, and I really appreciate the thumbs up you give me, and the shopping you do on the Amazon link at no added cost to you. Helps me out for sure. This is bugging me. I want some purple right in here. So thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate that. Thank you for looking at the playlists and having some fun there. I noticed you guys are really enjoying my playlists. There are 1,360 videos, and they're organized by genre and by the 100. And that's cool. I'm cool. I'm so cool with this. This is great. I probably could have made him flying this way or turned his head the other way up, but that's for another time. So I love you guys. I think I mentioned, look under the link tree. My email address is under the link tree link, and under the link tree link is Amazon, my website, Pinterest, pixels.com, Fine Art America, my Facebook pages, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, where you can find tomorrow's video most nights after midnight, or right before midnight actually. And I asked for the thumbs up. I told you about this 1,360 videos. Teespring clothing is definitely what you see under the video, and there was something else. It was important. I should not work upside down. Never a good idea. So now I'm going to fix that. Yeah, not unhappy with that. It's a good first try. It's probably not a bad second try either. I wish I'd used a better canvas, but I didn't trust myself, so what are you going to do? There is a drawing, and you can find the prizes in from the drawing on the video that is on the end screens of every video. And if you want to help continue keeping the studio rolling and me making videos, go to brain cramp. Go to that video and go to PayPal and Patreon links and use them, and I will send you a receipt. So I know I've probably forgotten something, but I have no idea what it is, and I'm distracted by my dragon. And I should stop playing with it now before I get myself in trouble. What we know about me, I kind of want some finger joints. I'll see you guys anon. There we go.